Hello, my name is Rebecca. I'm one of the directors of Thorne Beehives Limited, and I'm just going to do a short video on how to use and what is Apilife Var. Apilife Var is made in Italy by the company Chemicals Life. It was the first organic beekeeping product suitable for varroa control made with essential oils. It contains 4 ingredients: thymol, eucalyptus oil, camphor and menthol, and is suitable for organic beekeeping. Apilife Var is a VMD registered product and is the only product on the market that can be bought as a single dose. So you need 2 packets to complete 1 treatment. It has a 2-year shelf life from the date of manufacture. You need to be quite careful when you're opening the Apilife Var. It can be quite delicate. Best thing to do is cut the top like this. Obviously always wear gloves. And then there should be 2 tablets and they'll just come out like this. Don't tear it like this, because you've got a chance that you'll break the top tablet. So don't tear it like that, just always cut the top. You'll see that tablets, they are impregnated with the 4 ingredients. And the clever thing about the Apilife Var is it's a solid and a liquid form. So the liquid form of the treatment evaporates into a gas really quite quickly and at lower temperatures some of the other treatments on the market, some of the pastes or solid treatments, so it evaporates at a lower temperature. You do really want the temperature to be at least 15 degrees before you use this, ideally a little bit warmer than that. But it has got a sort of nice way of evaporating the active ingredients. So I'm now going to show you how to put Apilife Var on a hive. So you need 2 packets of Apilife Var to do a complete treatment. A complete treatment lasts 4 weeks. Each sachet has 2 tablets. So for the first week, you take 1 of the tablets, you cut it either into 2, 3 or 4 pieces. I'm going to cut it into 2 today. You can see it's a little bit crumbly. If it cuts itself in half, that's absolutely fine. And then I'm going to put that in the corners on the hive, on top of the top bars, on top of the brood body. So if you cut it into 4, you cut it in all 4 corners, cut it into 2 corners. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. And you'll see this needs no extra space at all. A little bit of smoke. Okay. And you can see, I'm just going to take them off, put 1 on that corner, 1 on that corner, and you can see that they just go on top of the top bars under the bee space in the crown board. Okay, and now I'm just going to put that back on again and put the roof back on. So I think, as I said earlier in the video, it needs to be at least 15 degrees really to use Apilife Var, a little bit warmer if possible. But because of the way the substance evaporates, it does work better at 15 degrees than some of the other products on the market. And of course, rotate this product with any more of your treatments that you do. Don't use this product all the time. One other thing to note, of course, is if you know you've got varroa, great, treat. If you don't know, always best to do a check first of all. 2 other things I nearly forgot. This is just a test hive, so I'll be taking this out of here in a moment. Make sure the entrance is completely open. Remove your entrance block. Make sure that's open. And your varroa board at the back, down here, make sure your varroa board is in. Make sure that is in. So you've got your entrance completely open and the varroa board in. And just like the national bottom bee space hive, this is a Langstroth hive, empty obviously for demonstration purposes. No entrance block. As you can see, the tablets just fit corners like that, or cut them into 3 or 4. No extra space needed. Crown board straight back on. So remember, no entrance block in and varroa board in. So that's Apilife Var. So it takes 4 weeks to do a complete treatment. Do not treat with honey supers on. As soon as you've removed the tablets, then it's a 0-day withdrawal period. You can pop your supers back on. And it's a really nice, good, organic treatment. No resistance found at all. And we're certainly going to give it a go in our apiaries this year. Any questions, you can give us a call. Go to our website. We've got a brilliant frequently asked questions section as well. Thank you for watching.